Hello, my name is Marc Lepire. I'm from Quebec, Canada, and I'm here for Heart of Sand. The team is traveling, and mine is a story about Quebec City. It's at home we have lumber. Then a guy cut the wood, and they go during the winters for 6 months. And they make a pact with the devil. The devil can bring them by a canoe to see the wife, but they can't touch the wife. Otherwise, if they touch the wife, the devil bring them to the hell. I grew up with this story because my grandfather was a lumber. Every winter I miss him because he go away for 6 months to cut the wood, and many people know that story at home. It's a famous story at home. This is on top is the devil with the moon, but on the bottom will be the canoe. The devil hanging a big canoe with the 5 people on it, and on one corner we will see the one guy touch a girl dancing with it and maybe kiss her also. I'm an ice carver first at home, then first time I went in Mexico and I see somebody do it, and I just ask them, can I play with you? And they say yes, and I try it, and now I carve that since 2000. My first sand sculpture, it was in 2000.